Protesters in Los Angeles have rallied against genetically modified food. Mona Adem reports on the issue that continues to divide the country. Some say it makes food unsafe. Others say it helps feed the world.
This is the Los Angeles March against Monsanto and GMO. More than 100 protesters gathered to rally against what they call an attack on humanity.
We are here today to take back our lives.
But what exactly does the term GMO stand for? Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, are plants or animals whose genetic material has been altered. With the exception of fresh fruit and veggies, GMOs are present in more than 60% of foods on USA supermarkets. Simone Frame says it's people's basic human right to know what they are eating.
And what we're putting into our kids' bodies and our families' bodies. And I believe that there are big corporations like Monsanto who are trying to intentionally keep us from knowing that.
Lily Copeland came to the rally with a specific message to President Obama.
I am 11 years old. There are many millions of kids my age and younger in this country whose future lives you are stealing by pushing Monsanto. Our kids will have no clean food if you do not stop. Our kids will most likely have broken guts, organ failure, and fatal cancers if you do not stop.
The controversy surrounding GMO has existed for a while. The seed company Monsanto makes the argument that genetically modified seeds not only help agriculture, but also farmers. Some scientists make the argument that farmers have always altered with food, but that consumers have never really known the difference. They also make the argument that genetically modified food items such as rice could actually help end world hunger.
Sandak Basu, a biology professor at Cal State Northridge, says the use of biotechnology helps us identify good genes.
So basically what we are doing is, in traditional breeding, we are using one line and crossing it with the other line. That is a traditional breeding. And in biotechnology, we are pinpointing one gene and taking the gene from one plant and putting it into other.
While Basu does not support corporate profit, he believes science is the answer to end world hunger.
It's a tool in the toolbox. If we let this process flourish, there is a chance that we can address the hunger in the developing countries.
The spokesman for Monsanto said via email that the company is making a contribution to improving agriculture by helping farmers produce more from their farms. Evie King was one of the main speakers during the rally.
Because Monsanto has got the money, we don't have the money, but we've got you!
King, who was born into farming, opened up the Learning Garden in Venice 10 years ago. He grows everything from salad, tomato, eggplants, and red chilies. King says GMO is a war against nature we simply cannot win.
Over the years, they've consolidated the seed market down to very few varieties. The very few varieties, then, leave you susceptible to crop failure.
Monsanto, unstoppable! Another world is possible!
For protesters at this rally, the fight will not end here.
They've declared war on biodiversity, and certainly we didn't start the fight, but look forward to finishing it.
Reporting from Koreatown, I'm Mona Adem, Valley View News.